Hello everyone, welcome back to my Smart ICT Academy YouTube channel. Today you are joining with Computerized Accounting video series, and this is MYOB practical session video 1. Overall I can say this is second video, but in this practical sessions this is the first or beginning video. This is specially created for beginners. And before we start, I want to clearly tell you something. This presentation is only for today, just to make things easy for you to understand. And from here onwards, we will move into real practical work inside MYOB software and learn by doing. Today also we are doing everything in practically within this presentation or after discuss this presentation. So don't think this is just a theory part, and this is a starting point for practical learning. And also I have to simple request for you. Then this slide as well, my last slide also, you can see my channel details, and so don't forget to check them and support to the channel. Okay, now let's begin. Yes, this is your MYOB practical lesson, and I designed this course for beginners or students, and this version is MYOB Account V19 version. You can choose any kind of version, but I'm doing it all practical things within this version. Okay, now let's move to our first slide. Lesson objectives. What are we going to learn today? What is MYOB? Install MYOB, create a company, and basic accounting steps. They are the lesson objectives, or what are the things we are going to discuss today, and what are the things we are going to learn today. Okay, they are the things. Right, now let's move one by one. Right, what is MYOB? In a previous video and first video we have discussed more about MYOB, but in this video I'm going to just explain what MYOB is very simply. You can say, if any other asks from you what is MYOB, you can say simply MYOB is an accounting software. It helps to record income and expenses and manage business accounts, as well create reports. It's very easy and very clear about MYOB. All of them are clearly sort out using these points about MYOB. Now let's move to your next slide. Right. Why desktop version? Okay, this is very important question. Now we want to know really why are we using the desktop version? Because desktop version is easy to practice and no internet needed. We can use without internet anytime desktop version, MYOB desktop version, and safe for learning. Especially it's safe for learning and best for beginners. It's very easy to cache all of them, and no internet needed, and safe for learning. Okay, next, these are the download process. Okay, now let's discuss. In this slide I have provided download links, and you can use these links to easily enter to the real websites. So first step is go to MYOB website using these links, and register with your email and download 30-day trial. It's very simple and safe for learning. As well, carefully follow these links provided in this slide, and you will see options like MYOB account, right? Or you can choose account right guide for your knowledge, and carefully read well and download the software as a trial. Okay, now let's move to next slide. Installation steps. There are these steps. Very normal. You can download file. After download, install it and click next. This is the same process as another software installation. You have installed any software before, like Game or Google Chrome or any other things, you can easily install this software and open MYOB. From here we can do everything in practical. Right. දැන් ඔයාලා download කරාට පස්සේ install කරලා ඉවර වුණාම අපිට පුළුවන් MYOB එක open කරගෙන මෙතන ඉඳන් ඉස්සරහට වැඩ කරගෙන යන්න. Right. I'll show you the first page of MYOB now. Right. I'm going to open my MYOB. In this, I'm going to first step as a create. You have to go to create firstly. Open කරනවා කලින් create කරලා නැහැ නේද first time නිසා. Right. අපිට පුළුවන් මෙතනදී create කියන option එකට යන්න. Click on create. This is your first view. This is called interview. You have to pass this. You have to complete this interview step by step to enter to command center. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාගේ transaction කරන්න ඔයාගේ account package එකට ගියාම ඔයාගේ company එකේ සියලුම දේවල් කරන්න නම් ඔයා මුලින්ම company එක set up කරගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ. ඒකට අපි කියනවා මෙන්න මේ interview එක pass කරලා යන්න ඕනේ. You have to complete first step by step this interview. Is very simple interview. Make body interview එකක් when you are comparing with any other accounting packages like QB is very short, very simple interview. Right. ඔයා QB එක ගැන එහෙම දන්න කෙනෙක් නම් සහ QB එක වැඩ කරන විදිය පොඩි වීඩියෝ එකකින් හරි බලලා තියෙනවා නම් QB එකේ තියෙන දිග interview එකක් ඒ වගේ නෙමෙයි. මෙතනදී very short interview එකක් තියෙන්නේ. So you have to easily pass this interview step by step. Right. Now let's discuss how to do all these things. Right. Your first page is here. Now look at this. You have to choose any option. If you are going to sign in option or stay sign out to continue with online service. What should we do here? Right. Now let's discuss. In your first page, you have to definitely tick continue without online service. Don't click on the sign in. Okay. This is your first step. Very clearly understand. No need to go sign in. Okay. Now let's move to next step. Company information. With this, before we enter the company information, I had to show in here we have to select account options from here. These are having basics, standard, plus and premier. What should we select here? Right. Here you can see basics for, it's not for learning. You can අපිට basic choose කරලා ගොඩක් දේවල් ඉගෙන ගන්න බෑ. But it's standard best for students. Right. Plus too much advanced and premier, plus is advanced and premier very advanced. Among them we have to choose standard because it is perfect for beginners, not too simple and not too advanced. So we have to choose select standard. Now what is, where are you located? Okay, in Australia, New Zealand. In introduction part we learn MYOB is an Australia version. MYOB is an Australia version. So we have to choose Australia, right? The student should select Australia because even if you are in Sri Lanka or any other country, for learning purpose only, you have to always choose Australia. Okay, it's very simple question. Okay, let's tick on Australia. Now your first step is completed. Now let's go to next. It's very easy, but you have to complete about your company details here as well. Serial number. Let's discuss about serial number before we enter to the company details. Okay, in here now you can show the next step, company information. You have to create a new company and enter company details here. මෙතනින් තමයි අලුත් company එක create කරගන්න. Right. Now let's move to trial serial number. What is it? Trial serial number. In here, from here you no need to enter real or actual data. You have to use fake details for your practice, like name, address, phone number and everything. You can use fake details for practice only. And in here no need to get number in wrong way, serial number in wrong way. You can use this 0000 like, because we are not using the paid version and did not purchase this software, so we are using MYOB only for learning and practice. That is why we use trial serial number. So this is for only practice and learning, so no need to purchase this software. That's why we use this kind of serial number. So it's very important, don't misunderstand about this part. Now let's try them. Right, first one is serial number. Right, now we are company details. Already I added my YouTube channel name for this company, but now this time I'm going to add same name but with these small differences. කියලා set කරන්න. Right, no need to fill this field. We have to use address. For address phone number. First number also same, I can choose as right. One thing, company details enter කරලා ඉවරයි. Now serial number and company details all of completed with this step, and we can go to next. Okay, show this. It's very important, the most important step in this interview. All your accounts within your company, all your accounts depend on this financial year. Your financial year create in this step. You can create with this step. එතකොට මෙතනදී තමයි ඔයාගේ financial year එක පළවෙනි වතාවට create කරගන්න යන්නේ. මේක හරිම වැදගත්. Let's show these points here very carefully. Sri Lanka financial year. Right. What is Sri Lankan financial year? Standard for April to March. But calendar type January to December. Right. As a Sri Lankan, we can use April to March type. You can choose anyone a month. මේ දෙකෙන් ඔයාලට කැමති එකකට යන්න පුළුවන්. All over the world normally use the calendar year, but as a Sri Lankan we use April to March for our financial year, 12 months. Okay. You have to first enter current financial year. Example, the current financial year means the year you are currently working on. Right. Current financial year කියන්නේ අපි දැනට වැඩ කරගෙන යන year එක. Right. It's very easy to understand. And enter last month of a financial year. Last month. For Sri Lankan type, we can choose March for last month, the ending month of the financial year. Right. Next one is in the conversation month, usually April or first month, or otherwise it's asked from start month. When conversation month, both of them asking. දැන් අපිට දෙකක් ඇහුවොත් start month and conversation month වලට running month කියලාත් ඔයාලට මෙෂර් කරන්න පුළුවන්. දෙක එකපාර ඇහුවොත් start month කිව්වහම April, conversation month කිව්වොත් දැන් අපි ඉන්නේ ජුලයි වල නම් අපිට ජුලයි කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්. අපිට එහෙම conversation month කියන එක running month කියන idea එකක් තියෙනවා. right. අපි අංක බලන්න කොහොමද මෙතන අහලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. right. You need to specify the financial year for which you want to start recording transactions. This does not need to be current financial year or the year that your business started trading. Right. What is the financial year for which you want to start recording transactions? Right. අපිට transaction record කරන්න ඕනි කරන financial month එක මොකක්ද? අපි 2026 select කරනවා. 2026. What is the last month of the financial year? According to calendar type, we can use December, but as a Sri Lankan, I can use March. Right. You've set your conversation month. What is the first month for which you want to start recording transaction? Yes, definitely ask for your first month. Don't write running month. You can add first month. Right. On අපිට first month එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. Now automatically created your financial year like this. එතකොට ඔයා දැනට current transaction කරන්නේ 2026 වුණාට ඔයා මේ ඔයාගේ financial year එක හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ 2025 4යි 1ත් 2026 3යි 31ත් අතර එක automatically create වෙනවා. මම මෙතන select කරොත් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේක ගන්න නැහැ. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් current year එක තමයි දෙන්න ඕනි මෙතන. ගන්නෙ නැහැ. current year එක විතරයි අපිට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. මේ අපි කම්පැනි එක ක්‍රියේට් කරන්නේ කරන ඩේට් එක ක්‍රියේට් කරන year එකත් එක්ක තමයි මෙතනදී අපේ ෆයිනෑන්ෂියල් ඉයර් එක ස්ටාර්ට් කරන්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට ලාස්ට් මන්ත් එක දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට පස්සේ අපි දෙනවා කන්වර්සේෂන් නැත්නම් බිගිනින් මන්ත් එක. අතනදී කිව්ව දේ පටල ගන්න එපා. සමහර වෙලාවට රනින් මන්ත් කියලාත් ඉල්ලනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි දැනට වැඩ කරන මන්ත් එකේ සමහර versions වල previous versions වල ඉල්ලුවා. මෙතනදී කන්වර්සේෂන් කියලා මෙයාලා මෙන්ෂන් කරන්නේ first month එක. එහෙම නම first month එක දෙන්න. right. Now go to next. Right. This very important part. Now you can choose what way you should go to build your account list. First one is start with account list provided by MYOB. MYOB එකෙන් දීපු list එකත් එක්ක යනවද? No. අපිට ඒකත් එක්ක යන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. sample එකක් ඕනේ නැහැ. important account list අපි වෙන තැනක තියෙන account list එකක් import කරගන්නවද? නැහැ. No need to import any other anywhere from anywhere for our account as our account list. අපිට වෙන තැනකින් list එකක් අපේ list එක විදිහට ගන්න ඕනේ. So you have to go, you must go to create a new company with new accounts. You have to go, you must go build your own list. එන්න මෙතෙන්ට තමයි අපි යන්න ඕනේ අපේම account එකක් අපේම අලුත් account details එක යන්න. right, without any transaction, with zero balance. අපිට බිඳුවේ ඉඳන් පටන් ගන්න ඕන. right, අපිට use කරන්න පුළුවන් build your own list. Now go to next step. right, now we have discussed this step within practically. අපි practically මේක ගැන කතා කළා. මෙතනදී ඔයාගේ financial year එක හොඳට බලන්න. මෙන්න මේ details ටික හරියටම දෙන්න. You have to fill these 3 fields very carefully. right, next we have to move account list options. already we done this part. අපි මේක මේ විදිහට කතා කරා. what are the options? More types of option you can use after you build your own list, but all of them first, as a first step, we have to choose build your own list. අපේ list එක ගත්තට පස්සේ අපිට මෙන්න මේ options ටික ගන්න පුළුවන්. create, delete or edit. create, edit, delete, find, print, all the options we can do as a digital page. So we can use all these options for our transactions. අපිට මෙන්න මේ options ටික අප transaction එකක් කරද්දී use කරන්න පුළුවන්. දැනට as our first step we have to choose build your own list for create a new accounts, new company with new accounts. right, next accounts list selections. right, I have added all these things to prepare for your account enter steps. ඔයා account enter කරන තැනට එන්න කලින් මෙන්න මේ ටික දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕන නිසා මම මේ ටික add කරා. what are they? assets, liabilities, equity, income and expenses. They are the main category of account list. first one is assets. assets කියලා අපිට use කරන්න පුළුවන්. what are the examples for assets? cash or bank and equipment. right, අපි ළඟ දැනට තියෙන cash ටික, banks ටික සහ equipments ටික අපිට assets කියලා එහෙම නැත්නම් වත්කම් කියලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. liabilities, especially loans and creditors. right, ඒ වගකීමක් අනිවාර්යෙන් credit සහ loans කියලා කියන්නේ. එතකොට liabilities කියන්නේ second category එක, assets is the first category and liabilities is the second, and equity our third category is definitely we can add our capital and drawings with this part. අපේ ප්‍රාග්ධනය සහ අපේ හිමිකම් සියලුම එක අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් ජංගම සහ ජංගම නොවන අපේ equities ඔක්කොම අපිට include කරන්න පුළුවන් මෙතනදී. right, income, sales and service income, all of them we can record under the income category as well. This is fourth category, and fifth one or last one is expenses. This very simple part. All the expenses you can add it within this expenses category. Rent, electricity and salaries, all of them, they are our expenses, so we can add it under the expenses category. Like how many categories have in the account list? Mainly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as assessed, liabilities, equity, income and expenses. They are the main categories. Right. As well, with this part, you should know about types of the account in MYOB. account types ගැන අනිවාර්යෙන් මෙතනදී ඔයා දැනගෙනම ඉන්න ඕනේ. නැත්නම් ඔයාට accounts add කරන්න ගියාම ලේසි වෙන්නේ නැහැ. type එක ගැන idea එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. You should know about this all types of account. There are only mainly 3 types. What are they? First one is header account, so main account, main category. It's like a title used to group accounts always. Cannot enter transaction anyway. Example, cash, expenses, like it can happen main topic එකක් විතර. As example, දැන් අපි කිව්වොත් cash කියලා අපි header account එක අරගෙන ඒක යටතේ අපිට main cash, petty cash add කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි expenses කියලා ගත්තොත් අපිට ඒක යටතේ electricity expenses, rent, house rent, it's also expenses, water bill expense, or water bill, එහෙම නැත්නම් අපිට salary and wages, මේ ඔක්කොම අපිට expenses කියන category එක යටතේ add කරන්න පුළුවන්. cash කියන category එක main cash, petty cash ඔය විදිහට add කරන්න පුළුවන්. right. This is only main account type as a title. ඒක අපිට we can't add any records, we can't record transactions here, we can't add any balance here. අපිට මොකුත් balance එකක් දාන්න transaction කරන්න බෑ. Only we can add categories, account categories, header, under this header accounts is main category, and within this main category we can add sub accounts. Right. Sub accounts. Second one is detail account. It's used for transaction. This is the real place we are going to work. මේක තමයි අපි හරියටම වැඩ කරන තැන. It's used for recording transactions. We can enter money in, out, both them we can add it here, we can record here. Used in daily business, example petty cash, electricity expenses, all of them we can record under this detail type. right. මෙතනදී detail කියලා කියන්නේ අනිවාර්යෙන් detail account එකක් කියන්නේ it may be a sub account of a header account or individual account. මේක තියෙන්න පුළුවන් header account එක sub account එකක් විදිහට තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන්, නැත්නම් individual account එකක් විදිහට තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. anyway මේක තමයි අපි වැඩ කරන real place එක. අපිට accounts මෙතනදී transactions කරන්න පුළුවන්, balance එකක් එක්ක යන්න පුළුවන්, අපිට amounts එක actually අපිට මෙතන transactions record කරන්න පුළුවන්, සහ edit කරන්න ඕන නම් edit කරන්න, delete කරන්න, මේ options ඔක්කොම මෙතන තියෙනවා. මෙතන දැන් delete කරන්න එහෙම බෑ අපිට. මෙතන delete කරන්න පුළුවන්. right. Detailed check account is next type. Simply when we compare two of them, it's simply close to detail account, but it has a main difference within them. It's sub-level tracking. It's also sub-level tracking. Especially special type of detail account. and can record transactions as this detail account and can print checks as well. This is the special thing with this detail account. In here we can use any type of transactions, but with this type we can use only cash and bank types accounts. අපිට මෙතනදී handle කරන්න පුළුවන් cash bank කියන දේවල් වලට අදාළ accounts විතරයි අපිට records කරන්න පුළුවන්. Use for bank accounts, example bank accounts, any type of bank accounts as well. We can print check here, right? ඔන්න අපි දැන් accounts types ගැන කතා කළා. main types header, detail check පහසුවෙන් ඔයාලට අඳුර ගන්න පුළුවන්. It's like a title, and with the detail account we can add transactions, and with detail check account we can use for cash and bank. බැංකු සහ මුදල් කියන දෙකම මෙතනදී transactions අපිට record කරන්න පුළුවන්. මෙතනදී only other අනිත් ඔක්කොම ගණදෙන ටික මෙතන තමයි record වෙන්නේ, right? Now let's move to next slide. In this, right, මම අර ටික කියලා දීලා ආවේ. ඔයාට ඉස්සරහදී අපිට ඒ ටික දන්නේ නැතුව ඉස්සරහට යන්න බෑ. 1 2 3 දැම්මට අපි දන්නේ නැහැනේ මොනවද මේ කැටගරි කියලා. අපි දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕන නිසා තමයි accounts types ගැන කතා කරලා මෙතෙන්ට ආවේ. Now we are in this step. It's very easy, no? You can show this is the save or store your company. You can locate your company here. අපිට company එක locate කරන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මෙතනදී. Right. Let's try to locate our company. You have to give a name, very simple way as you normal save steps. Select location and click save. Now let's move to this phase, right? Change the location. If you want to change the location, you can change the location here. You can choose folders and anywhere, but here no need to change the location, and I'm going to save this as no, sorry, I'm not here. No, you can't change the name here. Already we have added company names and all of them, but in this step you have to choose location only. You can choose this location as well, and if you want to change the location, you can change the location and go with this location and create company file here. Click on it. Now you can show your company file is created, right? We have completed 6 steps here. Short interview, and this is the last step. Until it running, let's move to our presentation, right? In here, this is your last step. After completed your company creation, you have to use next step here. You have to conclude your interview here from here, right? In here you should click on the command center, right? අපි මෙතනදී command center එකට තමයි යන්න ඕනේ ඊළඟට. If you want to open your company file without running the easy step assistant, click command center, right? අපි ඊළඟට යන්න ඕනේ command center එකට. ඔන්න ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. right, මෙතනදී අපිට දෙන්න ඕනේ අපේ purpose එක. I only need to view my information in this company, read only. අපිට read only වැඩක් නැහැ. I use this company file record edit my business transaction ඇත්තටම නැහැ. I use this company file for practice, right? Next, right. Now this is your last step. After they completed this part, you can show your company name here. Yeah. Now these are the options with this account package, and you can try all of them. You can go to one by one and check them well. Okay, from today I think it's enough. දැන් ඇති අපි මේ වෙද්දී ඉන්ටර්විව් එක කම්ප්ලීට් කරලා ඉවරයි. අපි ලාස්ට් ස්ටෙප් එකටත් ආවා. රයිට්, මෙතනදී ඔයාලට මෙහෙම ආවනම් මෙතනදී සමහර වෙලාවට මෙහෙම එන්න පුළුවන්. ID password දෙන්න යන්න එපා. password නැතුව okay කරන්න. without password you can okay this step. Right. These are the summary today. Install MYOB, create a company and set financial and understand about accounts. Right. I think enough for today. Let's discuss more things with next lesson. Practically discuss and doing everything together, and I think this video is this video may helpful to you, and if you have installed the software, please try to do everything practically, and don't watch video only. Please try to all the steps in real MYOB window, and good practice. And if you have any question, you can write in the comment section, and if you helpful this video, you can put a like, share and subscribe for especially upcoming lessons, and see you in the next lesson. And please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.